So today we have another item sent from Alec Peters. So say thank you, Alec.
Thank you, Alec.
All right, let's go ahead and open it up, see what it is.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
It's spaceship book.
The spaceship book. Oh wow.
We can read it.
Ah,
Let's see, we can read it.
let's see. Ship of the Line posters. Oh wow. Let's see what we got here, Turkey Butt.
Look in there. It looks like a toy.
No, it's not a toy, but it's Ship of the Line posters.
This is my mini poster.
Okay, hold up. I'll pull them out for us, buddy. We can look at them together. All right, let's see. See what we got here.
We had to pass the bad guy.
Yeah.
Before they get us or we will crash.
Look, oh, you know that one. That's the Borg.
Yeah, he's chasing all the ships.
Yeah.
He's chasing all the good ships.
Yeah, you like that one?
Yeah, with the spiky.
Well, I don't know. Well, that's a Vulcan one. You know the guys with the pointed ears?
They're trying to point all your good ships.
Something like that, yeah.
Like this.
See what else we got.
Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Oh no, there's the real one.
Yeah?
But there's another one.
Yeah.
He's trying to crash that.
Yeah, there's that. Here, scoot back just a little bit. There you go, buddy. Okay, you're good right there. Just want everyone to see what we're looking at.
Whoa.
Wow.
What's that now on
That's
that?
you've got this ship, buddy. You got this one.
I got this one.
Mm-hmm. You do.
What are these?
Those are escape pods.
Well, what are escape pods?
When the ship goes, that's when the people get in it and they go, oh, pew, 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 and they run away.
Well, why? Because they like this, and then
That's exactly how they do it.
they your work?
That's exactly what they do with Legos, yeah.
No, I mean your Lego works.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Come back up here, buddy.
I'll put it back on.
Okay. Let's see what else is on here.
Okay. Whoa! What's that?
Oh, that's another Vulcan ship, I believe. Here, sit over here so everyone else can see. Okay. Yeah, it's another Vulcan ship.
Another Vulcan ship?
No, that's a Tholian ship.
No, it's different.
Oh, you missed one.
That's your ship.
Well, it's one of the ships, yeah.
That's your big ship.
Oh, you know this one. That's a Borg ship. Those are those robots.
And look.
Mm-hmm.
Those are the fires.
Mm-hmm. Torpedoes.
There's a huge.
Yes, they are.
Like this.
Yes, they do.
I'm gonna put it back. It's a.
Yeah.
That's why it broke your work.
Well, we can look at these later. You want to play some spaceships, buddy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because you told me no. That's not very nice.
Well, we have the plumbers over right now, buddy, so we can't.
Oh, please.
Well, we can't. I mean, we can now. They're fixing the stuff, so I mean, we're good now. All right, buddy. All right. So say again. Thank you, Alec.
Thank you, Alec.
Oh, say to the camera.
Thank you, Alec.
Thank you, Alec. Appreciate it, man.